Hey Scribblers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Greg Guntanas, author of the Lance Gedrin Mystery Series, now available on Amazon in ebook and paperback. I release a lot of writing and publishing related content on my channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to order proof copies using Amazon's KDP platform. Now, proof copies are a great way to make sure that you are ready to publish your novel. Because the last thing we want to do as authors is to send an unprofessional product into the marketplace. So that's where the proof copies come in. We want to check to see if the cover looks good, if the formatting looks good, if everything is spelled right, and if the numbering looks good. So proof copies allow us to look at that final product right before it's going to go live. And all you have to do is go right into your KDP bookshelf and order as many proof copies as you want. And I'll show you my screen in a few seconds here. But before I do that, let me show you what the proof copies actually look like. So here are the first two novels in my Lance Gedrin Mystery Series, now available on Amazon in ebook and paperback. And these are the first two proof copies that I ordered right from Amazon. So let me just show you the first book here because they both are essentially the same. The first thing you'll notice with the proof copy is this little sticker that says not for resale. You obviously cannot sell proof copies. And then if I flip it to the back, you'll see that same sticker on the back, not for resale. And KDP, they put a little barcode here. It's a placeholder. When your book goes live, you are going to have a unique barcode from Amazon or your own barcode if you purchased it from Bowker. But this is also a placeholder. But other than that, the rest of the book is going to be how it is going to look the day it goes live. So this is how the spine would look. This is how the back would look. This is the cover, how it would look, and of course the pages, how they would look and how they're formatted, and so on and so forth. So you want to make sure that you really take a close look at your proofs before you hit publish on Amazon's KDP platform. So let me show you my screen and let's get to it. So I've logged into my KDP dashboard here and I'm in the bookshelf. And as you can see, I have two of my Lance Gedrin mysteries, which are now live in Kindle and ebook. And then I created, for the purposes of this demo, I created an additional draft in order to show all of you how to request the proofs. Because as you can see, for my two novels that are live, I am given the option to order author copies, but not proofs, because once it goes into publication, then they would not be considered proofs anymore. But the process is actually identical, and the price is identical as well. So let me show you how to go ahead and order the proofs for a draft that you happen to be working on before going live. So if we go up here to our draft novel, and right here next to the continue setup for our paperback, there's three little lines here. There's an ellipsis. So we're going to click that and it's going to say request printed proofs. You click on that and it's going to bring you to a page where you indicate how many you would like, and Amazon is telling you you can order up to 5 at a time. So you would select your quantity and your marketplace. So here it'd be just Amazon.com US. And here, as you can see, the price would be $3.30 for one proof copy. And the way that Amazon determines that is by your uploaded manuscript. And your fully uploaded file. So the $3.30 is essentially printing cost, and that is what an author would pay for a proof copy, and actually you would pay the same thing for an author copy. However, the one caveat to all of this is it excludes shipping and taxes. And for whatever reason, when an author tries to order a proof copy or after the book goes live in author copy, these are not Amazon Prime eligible. So if you happen to be a Prime member, unfortunately, for the proofs or for the author copies, Prime is not available. It's not eligible for these specific situations for whatever reason. So in this case, you would submit your proof request. I'm not going to click it here, but what you would do is you would submit your proof request. Then you will get a follow-up email, and it says right down here in the fine print, within 4 hours of submitting your proof request, you're going to get an email with a link to complete your order. So once you get that email, you click on it and it's going to take you to your Amazon cart, and then you can finalize the order. So it would be printing cost plus whatever the cost of regular shipping would be given your location. So that's basically how you would go ahead and order a proof copy, and that is actually identical to how you would order an author copy. So if I go back to Bookshelf and I go down and click on author copies, it's asking me to log in again. Let me go ahead and do that. We're at the same screen, and you would submit your order and you would get an email, or in this case with the author copy, you will just be directed straight to the cart without any sort of lag time. And as far as the proof copy, the 4 hours, I have found personally with the 2 proofs that I ordered for my series, it took less than an hour, and I got an email, and then I went and finalized everything in my cart, and I got my proof copies. So that's basically how you order proof copies. I think it's really important, and every author should definitely check the proof copies before they hit publish. And just real quick, before I sign off here, I did get a lot of comments about where I got my covers done. And I got them done at Deranged Doctor Design, and I'm going to go ahead and link them in the description below. I really liked working with them, and I had a great experience with them, and I think the covers came out beautifully. So if you're looking around for a cover designer, and you want to get somebody that really does some great work, I highly recommend Deranged Doctor Design. You can go to their website and they have various packages, and you can check out their full portfolio. So there you have it, how to order proof copies for your novel before you go live on KDP. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments for other scribblers out there, leave them down below. I really like hearing from all of you, no matter where you are on your writing journey. So I'll see all of you in the next video, and until next time, keep scribbling.